How to change language to be English in Google Chrome. So the first, go and open Google Chrome here. So as you can see, the language is not English here. I believe this could be Spanish, I'm not sure. So what we are going to do here exactly, go here and click on these 3 points. And then to the bottom, you need to count 1, 2. The third option from the bottom, and once you're here in the last option, just count 1 and then 2 and click on this option here. And now once you're here, when you come here, just go in the left in these options and scroll down and choose this one, which is above this option. It could be downloads because we can see this icon here. So this one with the icon of the of this plan, that should be the languages. Click on it, and here we got a lot of options. If we couldn't find English, or if you cannot read the language that is selected on your Google Chrome, just go here and choose this blue option, and now search for English. Let's go down and search for English here. We got a lot of options. So here it's English. So it's not written in English. It's written in 2 languages. The language here, which is for the interface of the Google Chrome, and here it's the language of the country itself. So let's choose English for Canada. Click here and then choose this option, which means ads, because if we're not selecting the language, this option will be not available. So probably that means ads. Okay, so let's go and click here. And now let's choose English of Canada, this one here of Canada. Go and click on these 3 points and choose this option. Once you do so, you're going to see this button appears. Just click on it. And Google Chrome is being relaunched, and here the language being successfully changed to English. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.